What if the biggest crypto returns in 2025 don't come from Bitcoin? It sounds impossible, but one altcoin, focused on revolutionary payment technology, is quietly positioning itself to deliver massive percentage gains. That project is Zebec Network, or ZBCN. While Bitcoin is the undisputed king, its core limitations have created a massive opportunity for a new contender. And Zebec isn't just a contender anymore, it's becoming a major player. The question on every investor's mind is where the smart money is headed in 2025. Is it the safe haven of Bitcoin? Or is the real growth hiding in plain sight with altcoins? Today, we cut through the hype and analyze the tech, the adoption, and the hard data to answer one simple question. Does ZBCN have a real chance of outperforming Bitcoin in percentage gains next year? Welcome to Generational Wealth, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. Let's break it down. First, let's set the stage. Bitcoin is digital gold. Its primary role in the crypto ecosystem is to serve as a secure, decentralized store of value. With a market cap in the trillions and a growing wave of institutional adoption, it remains the benchmark for the entire industry. Predictions for the rest of 2025 see Bitcoin potentially hitting $150,000 or even $200,000. But Bitcoin was never designed for high-speed transactions or buying your daily coffee. This is the exact problem a new generation of altcoins is racing to solve. And that brings us to ZBCN. Enter Zebec Network, ZBCN, which you might recall as Zebec Protocol. Following a major rebrand, the project completed a 1-to-10 token split in 2024 to make the token more accessible. ZBCN isn't trying to be the next Bitcoin. Its mission is entirely different: to completely revolutionize how money moves. Forget a bi-weekly paycheck. Imagine your salary streaming into your account with every passing second. That's the power of Zebec's real-time finance protocol. This technology enables continuous, per-second payments for everything from payroll and subscriptions to micropayments. Originally launched on Solana, Zebec has since expanded to become a multi-chain protocol and even launched its own Layer 1 chain. It's engineered for real-world application, powering everything from crypto debit cards to corporate treasury management. So, we have the established king versus the innovative challenger. How do they truly stack up for 2025? As we've established, Bitcoin is a store of value, optimized for security and decentralization. ZBCN is built for utility. It's a multi-chain payment infrastructure aiming to become the global standard for programmable money. It has already secured major partnerships with companies like World Mobile, Ondo Finance, Science Card, and XDB Chain to bridge the gap between traditional finance and Web3, with institutional custody managed by Uphold. This is where the scale has shifted dramatically. Bitcoin boasts global name recognition and immense liquidity. However, ZBCN is no longer a small-cap project. As of late 2025, projections see its market cap potentially reaching the tens of billions, with some sources suggesting it could climb as high as $45 billion. This growth is heavily supported by strategic regulatory achievements, like securing a SOC2 certification and aligning with Europe's MiCA regulations, both of which are critical for earning institutional trust. While the claim of hundreds of companies using it for payroll is difficult to verify, its user base has grown significantly. Now, for the most important question: what does the data suggest about price? Let's be realistic. The idea of ZBCN beating Bitcoin by flipping its market cap is impossible in 2025. The real question is, can it deliver higher percentage gains? As of October 30th, 2025, ZBCN is trading between approximately 0.0036 and 0.0038 cents. Most forecasts, which account for the token split, place it in a range between approximately 0.0035 and 0.0064 cents. Some highly optimistic models suggest it could push toward 1 or 2 cents, but these are not widely supported by major analysts. Technical analysis remains mixed, with some indicators showing bearish sentiment and the potential for dips. It continues to be a volatile asset. If you're finding this analysis valuable, take a moment to hit that like button. It truly helps the channel reach more people. So, can ZBCN beat Bitcoin in 2025? In terms of market cap, dominance, or becoming the new king of crypto, the answer is a firm no. Bitcoin's position as digital gold is secure. However, when it comes to potential percentage returns, the story becomes far more compelling. ZBCN represents a higher risk, but potentially high-reward altcoin with technology that solves a real-world problem. Its focus on regulatory compliance gives it a solid foundation for future growth. While you shouldn't expect a 100x gain by next year, our analysis suggests that a 2x to 3x increase is well within the realm of possibility, especially if ZBCN continues to deliver on its roadmap. It won't beat Bitcoin in raw value, but for investors seeking asymmetric bets, its potential for higher percentage gains makes it a project to watch very closely. It's not a Bitcoin killer, it's a complementary innovation, playing a completely different game. What are your thoughts? Does ZBCN's streaming payment technology have what it takes to capture a larger piece of the market? Drop your opinions in the comments below. And if you want more deep dives into the projects shaping the future of crypto, make sure to subscribe. For trending topics and actionable crypto insights, join our Insiders Club on our website at GenerationalWealth.biz. For the rest of the year, we're offering new members access for only $3 per month. Quick disclaimer: I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. Crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research. Thank you for being valued members of the community. We appreciate you. See you on the next one.